Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you like any of the items you see, be sure to check the description for links and discounts. Today we are unboxing and trying on ARITZIA's entire Lunar New Year collection for 2025. Now I ordered all of these online and it actually came packaged in an ARITZIA bag inside a box, so I thought that was really interesting. Now this first item is their best ever crew sock. This came in two sizes, an extra small/small and a medium large. Now I did not read the size chart before purchasing these, and I see now that they are for a 4.5 to a 7. Now I'm a 7.5 or an 8, and they're okay, like they do fit all right. So I do think, you can probably straddle the sizes, but I probably would have gone with the medium large if I had read this. Now these socks come in a 3-pack, so if you have a family you're purchasing for, this would be a great item to kind of divvy up. Now next up, I picked up the sweatpants in the collection. These are extremely soft on the inside and a very lovely thick cotton material. Now on every piece of clothing in this collection, it comes with a swing tag with a note from the artist. Now the artist's name is Jessie Wong, and it says, "For this exclusive collection, I've created a series of illustrations inspired by the foods and decorations associated with my family's Lunar New Year celebrations." Now, a little bit about Jessie Wong herself. She is an illustrator raised in Hong Kong. She uses strong, vivid colors to combine fantastical scenes with elements of everyday life. Her art aims to revive the forgotten beauty in our daily routines, making the ordinary appear extraordinary. And we can definitely see that manifested in these designs. Now we're gonna pop these on in a second, but just giving you final looks of the sweatpants. They feel very well made. Now chime in below if you've tried other ARITZIA sweats on and if these feel or look like those to you. I believe I've tried on a gray version on the Fashion Try-On as well, so if you do want to, go and find that. I did really like their material, so I'm not entirely sure if they are the exact same, but they are well made and sturdy. Now next up we have a hoodie. So this is one of 2 hoodies that were released with this collection. Now the first one is called the Lunar New Year Perfect hoodie, and the next that we'll take a look at is the Lunar New Year Mega Raglan hoodie. So I picked this one up in a size extra small, and I picked the other up in a size small just to do a size comparison because I think I would like it oversized. Now all of these sweat pieces in the collection are made with the exact same material, so you're gonna get that really kind of like thicker, more luxurious feeling cotton. It does feel like a heavier weight cotton, so this is gonna be perfect for the winter time with that really lovely fleece on the inside. So I can totally see like a cozy night in wearing these around the house. Now this is the crew neck that was actually featured in kind of the star photo for the collection, and it has those 3, I believe they're lanterns right on the front, and they're just really cute. I picked up this one in a size small, and when we get to the try-on, I will give you all of my thoughts on the fit. Alrighty, now the last piece of this collection is actually a dress. So this dress is part of ARITZIA's main collection. So they actually have this dress in a lot of different colors, but they released a very special flashing red colored dress to go with this collection. Now all of the pieces are actually called flashing red, but the dress seems to be a little bit of a darker red. So while they tried to make it all the same color, I don't think they succeeded too well. But you're not gonna wear these together, so it doesn't really matter, but just to keep in mind, there is a slight difference. Now, I picked this up in a size XS, which I was honestly just taking a guess at, and we'll get to the specifics when we try that one on as well. Now, first up, I tried on one of the hoodies. This was the size small, and I felt like it was the perfect type of oversize. Spoiler alert that when I tried the extra small, I felt like it was more fitted, but this one felt really cozy. It felt really loungy, really lounge-worthy. I paired it with just some simple black leggings to start with, but I'm going to pop into the matching sweatpants so you can see the full vibe. Let me know what you think of this vibe, if you think you need the pants to go with it, or if the sweatshirt kind of stands on its own. I personally liked the all red look. I felt like it was very kind of cheerful, but also, just very cozy oriented. So I felt like I could totally have a lazy weekend in this set and feel still like $1,000,000 and kind of like really put together. Honestly, it made me want to have some soup and watch a movie. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Where would you wear this? Is this strictly a house outfit? Would you wear this out? And if so, where are you going? Now, I felt like the pants size was a good fit on me. I can roll them down and they're still, a good length. I do have space to pull them over, the half of my foot and make them more like a, cozy heel warmer. So I always like to do that with my sweatpants. And I felt like the size was good in that regard. Now, I tried on the extra small in the hoodie, and I just kind of felt like this one was a little bit too small. The sweatpants are a little bit more, oversized, so I feel like you might want to pair, an oversized sweatpant with an oversized hoodie and vice versa. If you kind of want something more fitted, I would probably go down in the sweatpants size. Now, that being said, I felt like the overall vibe was really cute. I can't tell which hoodie I liked better. I think I liked the first one that I tried a little bit better, just for the orientation of the graphic. Now, next up, I did try on the crew neck, and mind you, I got this in a size small as well. So I have tentatively believed that the size small in the hoodie was the better fit, but in the crew neck, I feel like it didn't translate, so keep that in mind. I felt like this one was a little bit too oversized, and it almost felt like a medium or a large. It looks really baggy, so I didn't feel like this one was, the perfect fit for me. So my tentative hypothesis remains to be on the small hoodie. All right, next up, I did have to try on just these sweatpants with a basic black long sleeve top. And I kind of really liked the vibe, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Now, for reference, this is the Aloe Yoga Ribbed Seacoast long sleeve top, and we do have an unboxing on the fashion try-on, so be sure to check that one out too. Alrighty, last up we have the dress, and I really do mean the dress. Now, I really liked the silhouette of this dress, and I really liked the color. Now, keep in mind it is a very slightly different hue, but I don't think that matters. I really liked the fit, and I really liked the material. It's kind of like a thick material, but it is lined on the inside, and it felt really good and really secure, especially for being a tube top dress. I also really liked the little ruching on the side because it gave some interest without being overly designed. Let me know what you think about all of these pieces in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe.